A warm welcome, children. Today we are going to learn the new chapter from a grammar chess textbook, and the name of the chapter is Articles. Now we have learned articles in our smaller classes and we know what it is. So articles, they are actually modifiers that are placed before a noun. That means it gives you a clarity about the noun in a particular sentence. It clears the noun in the particular sentence. Okay, now let us see what it is. So articles are basically modifiers that appear before the nouns and they help to clarify the meaning of the noun in a sentence. Okay, and we already know that there are two types of articles, and they are the indefinite article and the definite article, right? A and an are used as our indefinite article and the is taken as a definite article. Alright, so let us now see what exactly is this indefinite article. A and an are placed before countable nouns in the singular number. A and an are articles that we use in order to represent countable nouns. So they are placed before countable nouns in the singular number. Example, a student, a boy, an egg, an ant. All these are countable nouns, right? So we use article a and an, right? And article a is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. We know exactly what is a consonant sound, right? There are two sounds, that is vowels and consonants. So before words that begin with a consonant sound, we use article a. Just look at this over here. Meena is a student, right? So Meena is a student. We write the article a over here because the word student, S, has a consonant sound, right? Similarly, Mohan is a batsman. The word batsman, B, has a consonant sound. So we use the article a over here. And we say Mohan is a batsman. So basically, articles a and an are placed before countable nouns, and article a is placed before words that have a consonant sound. Alright, now let us see. We use article an before words that begin with a vowel sound. Just look at the example here. I have an apple for breakfast. We use article an over here before the word apple because here a has a vowel sound. Similarly, I saw an eagle flying. Here too we use article an before the word eagle because the letter E has a vowel sound in it. Okay. So we also write an honorable man. An honorable man because HO is pronounced as O in a vowel sound. So we say that, or we take an, we use it as an honorable man. Okay. So article A is used with countables and singular nouns beginning with a consonant sound. And article an is used with countables and singular nouns beginning with vowel sound. Okay, I hope you understood that. Now let us do the exercises. On page 50, exercise A, fill in the blanks with A, article A or an. The first one, dash interesting book, an interesting book. Yes, because the word intelligent, the letter I has a vowel sound, so an interesting book. The next one, one-eyed monster. Before that, a one-eyed monster, because one has a consonant sound in this particular word, right? Similarly, the third one, a European friend. Even though the letter is E, E has a consonant sound in this word. And so we take the article, or we write the article A before a European friend. Okay, it has a consonant sound. Similarly, the other ones you are expected to do. Now let us see exercise B on page number 50. Fill in the blanks with article a or an and put an into where neither an a or an is required. Just look at the first one. Iron is a useful metal. Iron is a useful metal because it has U. U is taken as a consonant. So we write here iron is a useful metal. Similarly, the second one, please give me a slice of bread with butter. Okay, then look at the third one. What an idea you have in your mind. So here the word or the article an is being taken because I has a vowel sound. Okay, now what is the fourth one? I have a boiled egg for breakfast every morning, because again boiled, so B has a consonant sound, so we write there article A. I have a boiled egg for breakfast every morning. The other sentences you are expected to do it as homework. Alright, now let us learn about article, the definite article, the article the. Now when do we use article the? Yes, we use it to specify a particular person or a thing. That is why we say that it is a definite article. So here the is used when we mean a particular person or a thing. Just look at the example, give me the pen lying on the table. Right? So we are not expected to just get any pen, we want that particular pen which is lying on the table. Right? And so we use the definite article the over here because we want that particular pen. So basically the article, definite article the is used to specify a particular person or a thing. Alright. Okay, and we have exercises over here on page 50, exercise C, which you are expected to do it. Let us learn something more about the articles now, articles a, an and the. We use a or an when we speak of a particular person or thing for the first time. But when we speak of them again, we use article the. Now let us see what it is. Example. A man came to our school. We write a before man because he could be any man. The man wanted to meet our principal. Now the man is a particular man, the same man we were talking about in sentence 1. Right? So we use a or an when we speak of a person for the first time, but when we speak of the person the next time we use article the. At times, even when we have not used a noun earlier, it is very clear we are very clear what we are talking about. In such cases also we use article the. Example, the television is switched on. We already know which television, but in spite of that we use article the. The television is switched on. Then the next example, the window of the bedroom is broken. We know which window and we know which bedroom we are talking about. In spite of that, we use the definite article over here. These are exceptional cases, right? So that means that article a and an is used for speaking of a particular person or a thing for the first time, and the is used when we speak of them afterwards. When the speaker and the listener knows which person or thing is being talked about, we use article the. Children, you will understand it while you are doing it. It is a simple thing, right? You are expected to do exercise D, which is on page number 51. And now let us see when are the instances when we use article the definite article. Okay, on page number 52, uses of the. The is used with the names of rivers, oceans and mountain ranges. So when we are referring to any particular river, sea, ocean or mountain range, we use article the. For example, the Ganges, the Red Sea, the Pacific Ocean, the Himalayas. Then for names of well-known buildings, the India Gate, the Taj Mahal. For names of holy books and newspapers, examples, the Gita, the Quran, the Statesman. The names of trains, ships, aeroplanes, example, the Rajdhani Express, the Orient Express. Then for names of some countries, the names that contain a common noun. Example, the United States of America and the United Kingdom, the United Kingdom. Because it contains the common noun states and kingdom. We also use the with superlative degrees. That is the highest peak, the most intelligent student. We use the in such phrases as the first, the last, the next, the only. Example, he is the only son and that was the last time we met. The is not used with the following, that is with proper nouns. The is not used with proper nouns. Example, we never say the Sonali Sharma. We don't use the before the name of a person, proper noun, right? And we never use the before a country, a particular country's name. Like we never say the India. So it is not used, the article the is not used before proper nouns and also with uncountable nouns. Like we don't say the sugar and the iron, right? But we use the with such nouns when they are made particular, right? I need sugar for making tea. We don't require article with sugar, but please pass me the sugar in the jar. Here, one is talking about the particular sugar which is in the jar. Hence, we say, please pass me the sugar which is kept in the particular jar. Alright. Now, let us see about the exercise over there. Insert article the in the following sentence wherever you think it is needed. Okay, the first one, look at the first one. He will visit UK. What do we write there? How do we insert the article? Yes, he will visit the UK. The word kingdom is given there, so the UK. Similarly, the next one, Taj Mahal is in Agra. We know it's a particular monument. We are speaking about a particular monument over here. So, the Taj Mahal is in Agra. Then the third one, Himalayas are in Nepal. Again, a particular mountain range. So, the Himalayas are in Nepal. Similarly, you have the other sentences, children. You are expected to do that. And also your exercise F, you have to do it as your homework. So, I hope you have understood what are the articles. Articles are basically modifiers that are placed before the nouns and they make the nouns much more clear. And what are the two types of articles that we have? Yeah, the indefinite article and the definite article. A and an are taken as our indefinite articles and the is a definite article, right? Go through the video, children, and please try and understand, and you are expected to do all the exercises as homework. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.